to my channel Charles Chakra. Hope you are doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about what Cancer people can expect in coming 1 year till July 2026. This particular prediction has been taken on the basis of the ascendant or the moon sign. If Cancer is your ascendant and the moon sign, then this particular prediction is applicable for you. This particular prediction has been taken on the 4 major transits that took place this particular year. We'll be going to show the effect till July 2026 next year. So the 4 major transits which took place this year is of Rahu, Ketu, Shani and Jupiter. So this particular prediction is based on the overall how these planetary movement is going to affect your love life, overall your business, career, health wise. Along with this, I will be going to help you out with the remedies also that you should do to overcome the challenges that you may face because of these planetary movements. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So first we need to understand that this particular year, the two important planetary transit, that is of Jupiter and the Saturn, has taken place in your Kendra. Such a big and powerful planet, if are sitting in the Kendra, make your foundation very strong. So this is a time for coming 1 year. You will notice that you are going to become more religious. Your mindset, your attitude towards the life will change. You will be started working on your own self. You will be started working. You will be started taking care of your health. Career wise, there is a very high possibility you may get an opportunity away from your birthplace. You may settle down in a foreign country. If you are into a business, there is a very high possibility you may start a new set of business. Career wise, finances wise, you are going to see a growth. Overall, as a person, overall seems like that things are going to become more positive for you, because this is 1 year of time where you are going to focus more on your own self. Otherwise, Cancerian people are very emotional, and in emotions they take a lot of wrong decision. But during this 1 year time, it will be noticed that emotion wise you are going to become more mature. You are going to focus more on your savings. You are going to focus more on your career growth. Seems like that this is a time where you will take all your attention to your own self. You will be add on new skills, because Saturn sitting in your Kendra will provoke you to add on new skills, new knowledge. And with this new skills and new knowledge which you are going to learn during this time, you will notice that this will help you in the long run to get the success. If you are into a business, there is a very high possibility you are going to start a new business. You are going to upgrade your new business with your own hard work. Otherwise, Cancer people, it is difficult for you to come out of your comfort zone. But this is 1 year time that you will be out of your comfort zone, will be focused more on your career, will try to do more hard work, and Saturn and the Jupiter placement in such a way for you that is going to give you overall success too. Jupiter is going to aspect Rahu. This is a time of a deep transformation for you. Health wise, planets are not so aligned so great, so you need to take care of your health. Don't take your health for granted. Otherwise, this is a time of the transformation. I take transformation time very positively, because when the transformation happens in person's life, then you try to become a better version of yourself. That is for you, Cancer people. This is a time for 1 year time. You are going to see an intense transformation in you. After 1 year of time, you will be a very different person. Overall seems like your focus will be your own health. Don't take your health for granted. Your focus will be your career, health, relationship and money. All the things will be going to improve for you positively, but after the challenges, after the obstacles, because this is a period of the transformation, things will not be so easy for you. There will be the delay, there will be the challenges, there will be the obstacles, but there will not be any deny. So whatever the hard work you are going to do during this time, or you are going to work on your own health, or you will do exercise, or you will try to work on yourself in your relationship, money wise, career wise, you will face challenges, because transformation always comes with the challenges and the obstacles, but there is no denial. So this particular 1 year of time is a time for the transformation. Take this transformation period very positively, because transformation always comes with a good news, with a hardship, but with a good news. Starting a few months, you may feel emotionally heavy, problem in your domestic life, but gradually and slowly you will notice and you will know the real color of the people around you. You will notice who is good for you, who is bad for you, and gradually and slowly you will notice that emotionally you are going to become much more strong person. This is a good time to buy a property and sell your old property too. Any property which is stuck since long in the legal case, or it is your ancestor property, this is a good time for 1 year time. Take the actions, you will be able to sell out that property because planets are aligned in such a way. This is a good time to sell your old property and replace the old property with the new property also, because planets are aligned in such a positively for you when it comes to selling or buying the new property. During this 1 year of time, you need to be very much conscious with the money matter. Make sure that you are not giving money on credit to someone, because there is a very less possibility that you will be going to get your money back. If you are into a business, make sure that you are not giving on credit money to someone, because there also there is a high possibility your money can stuck. There may be the delay in the money matters, or the promotion which is due since long, you may notice there will be the delay. The relationship with the bosses, with the father, with the superiors will be affected during this time. They will not able to understand you because of the planets being aligned in such a way. So you need to be conscious with a relationship. It can be a relationship with your parents, with your superior, with your bosses, and even any of your relative too. Possible of issues in your marriage life, or you need to take care of your health too. If you have a loans and debts, there is a very high possibility you will be able to pay off your loans and debts, and gradually and slowly these planets will started working positively for you. Your health will started improving after October. You are going to notice that your health will started improving and things will started becoming better. This is a time where you need to give try to pay off all your loans and debts. This is not so great time when it comes to your marriage wise. You need to be conscious and you need to take care of the health of your partner too, because planetary are aligned in such a way it can affect the health of your partner. So you need to take care of your health of your partner too also during this time, as well as your own health. If you are stuck in a legal case or you have an enemy, then there is a very high possibility you will be able to overcome your enemies, and with a mutual concern you will be able to overcome out of the legal case too. During you will feel irritated, frustration. Make sure that you are managing your internal world well, but planets are aligned in such a way that you will be able to manage your internal world as well as external world very wisely during this time. This is a time where you need to be a little bit calmer. Try to focus on the mindfulness activities. Planets are aligned in such a way that you may feel frustrated, overthinking because of the outer activities people are doing surrounded by you. So this is a time where you need to take all your focus. This is a very great time to get the foreign opportunities. If you're settled down in the foreign countries, or if you're looking to settle down in the foreign country, then try to apply for the same. There is a very high possibility during this time you will be able to settle down in the foreign country, and that will be positive for you. If you're already settled down in the foreign country, then during this time you're going to get a lot of new opportunities. If you're into a career, there's a high possibility of a change of a career, and that will be positive for you. If you are into business, there is a very high possibility you're going to start a new business, new venture also during this time, and upgrade your already existing that you should do to overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck for coming 1 year. You should start praying to Lord Hanuman. As much as you pray to Lord Hanuman, you are going to see a lot of positive changes in your life. If possible, try to wear the 14 Mukhi Rudraksha. 14 Mukhi Rudraksha is connected to the Mangal and the Shani planet. If you're wearing the 14 Mukhi Rudraksha, it is going to remove all the obstacles and the challenges from your life that you may face in your career during this time, as well as it is going to improve the relationship, especially for the women. They should wear the 14 Mukhi Rudraksha, because for you, if you're looking for a partner, or if you want to get married, or if you're already married, then for you, Mangal is a very important planet. Being a Cancerian, Mangal is your East Dev too. So what you need to do is that start wearing the 14 Mukhi Rudraksha. 14 Mukhi Rudraksha is a rectificator of the Mangal planet, and you will be gradually and slowly seeing the improvement in your relationship, because it's a time if you are into a toxic relationship, and there is a very high possibility that relationship will be break up and that you will move towards a divorce. Other than that, start chanting Hanuman Chalisa daily. If you have a loans and debts on you, then try to chant Hanuman Chalisa 3 times daily. And the best time to chant Hanuman Chalisa is 12 p.m. in the afternoon. In any case, if you can't chant Hanuman Chalisa in 12 p.m. in the afternoon, then try to chant it after the sunset. If you don't have any loans and debts on you, in that case, only one time you can chant the Hanuman Chalisa. Along with this, you have to start wearing the red collar in 5 dhatu. You have to wear the red coral in the 5 dhatu in locket or in the form of a ring. This is going to help you out to remove the bad effect of the Mangal planet in your life, because for you, the most important planet that is going to affect you for this particular 1 year, and that can save you from the mishappening or the negative effect of these four planets, is the Mangal planet. So start wearing the coral in the 5 dhatu from the Tuesday. It is going to help you out to remove all the obstacles and the challenges in your life. Share this video with your loved one, and still you have any questions related to your life, you can ask me on the comment. And if you're looking for the personal consultation, you can WhatsApp us on the given number. My team is going to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.